Okay. So number of permutations of n different things, n different objects or n different things taken r at a time, when repetition of objects is allowed. Is, I told you, no, r times, no, we are taking r at time, means what, you have to create r blanks, like this, r blanks. First blank, how many ways you can arrange? N ways. Second blank, n ways. Third blank, n ways. Why? Because one object you can take any number of times. Here you arranged one object, same object again you can take. So this will not work with the object, because no, here object means what? For example, here n ways and so on up to n, so n to the power of r. What is this? Sir, one object we are taking, how do we take again and again? So that is not like that. So for example, you have here, so object will be given like this. Here, infinite means how many you want, that many. Infinite number of red balls are there. You see, red balls are there. Infinite number of green balls are there. Infinite number of white balls are there. Infinite number of, like that. So now here, infinite number of black balls are there. Blue balls are there. Okay, like that. So now here, how many different types of balls are there here? This is red balls are same only. So how many different types of balls are there? Let's say here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different balls, different colored balls are there. 5 different colored balls are there. Now here number of permutations of 3 different balls, 3 balls, or number of permutations of 5 different colored balls taken 3 at a time. That means what here? Red, green. So that means what here? You can arrange red here also, you can arrange red here also, you can arrange red. That is how it will be given. Or they will take numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to 9. So number of 4-digit numbers out of this 9 digits. When 9 digits are given, number of 4-digit numbers. That means what? 4-digit number means 1 digit you can take any number of times. Okay, 1 digit you can take any number of times. So that means here this you can arrange in 9 ways. This also can arrange in 9 ways. This also you can arrange in 9 ways. This also can arrange in 9 ways. So 9 to the power of 4, like that. Here 5 different colors. No, here any one of the 5 colors you can arrange. Here any one of the 5 colors. Here also any one of the 5 colors. 5 to the power of 3, like that. So okay, all right. So here, when this is given, immediately the question comes is, so here number of permutations of n different things. I am stressing different things. Understand this? N different things taken r at a time. Taken r at a time. Okay. If at least one object is repeated. At least one object is repeated. Okay, here number of permutations of n different things taken r at time. If at least one object is repeated, that means what I want is, now first exercise, what was the thing? Number of permutations of n different things taken r at time, NPR. Now this is number of permutations of n different things taken r at time when repetition is allowed. Okay, total number of permutations is n to the power of r. Please understand, total number of permutations when repetition is allowed minus NPR. If I do, what do I get? NPR. Total number of permutations n to the power of r minus, if I do NPR, what do I get? So when repetition is allowed, that means when repetition is allowed means what here? Everything will be there. Okay, in this, no, all different types of, all repetition is allowed means repetition is permutations with repetition is there, permutations without repetition, everything is there in this n to the power of r. Now, if you subtract NPR, that is what? Number of permutations of different things taken at r at time, when repetition is not allowed. In this, repetition is not allowed. In this, repetition is allowed. Now, if you subtract this, then what do I get here? You are going to get at least one object is repeated. Here, you are going to get at least one object is repeated in this. Hope you are clear in this. Hope you are clear. Okay, so now for example, so now let's take an example. So let's say Here we have five different numbers. We have five different numbers. What are that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want is number of permutations of five different things. Okay, taken 3 at time. 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers in which at least one digit is repeated. At least one digit is repeated. 3-digit numbers with at least one digit is repeated. So now total number of permutations. That means when repetition is allowed and repeated, in this no repetition is there, means what? Everything will come. That is what 5 into 5. So total how many numbers you will get? 5 cube. 5 cube means what? 125 numbers you will get. 1, 2, 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 is there. 2, 5, 7 is there. 2, 6, 7. 2, 5, 4 is there. 2 in this 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 is there. Like this, all these numbers are there. In this, no repetition is not there. That numbers also will be there here. Here, for example, 2, 2, 3 is there. 2, 4, 4 is there. 4, 4, 4 is there. This type of numbers also will be there. The repetition is not there, so that numbers also there. Repetition is allowed means what? So repeated repetition of digits allowed means what? Repeated digits, this kind of numbers will be there, and when repetition of digits is not there, that's also there. Okay. అంటే డిజిట్స్ రిపీట్ అయిన నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి, డిజిట్స్ రిపీట్ కాన్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. అంటే ఏంటిది? దట్ ఈస్ రిపిటేషన్ ఇస్ అలౌడ్ అంటే ఏంది? కంపల్సరీ తీసుకోవాలని కాదు, తీసుకోవచ్చు కూడా. మీన్స్ వాట్? Here 2 kinds of numbers will be there. So now question is numbers which have no digit repeated. So 3-digit numbers in which at least one digit is repeated. Again, so total numbers is 125. Okay, out of which my minus the what I want is repetition with no repetition numbers with no repetition of digits. How many are those? 5p3. 5p3. That is the 125 minus 5, 4, 5, 4, 3. So that is okay. Whatever this comes, 125 minus 5 4s are 5 4s 20 into 3, 60. So yeah, if you subtract, no, 65 numbers. These 65 numbers are like this. At least one digit is repeated. At the 2 2 3 2 4 4 1 4 4, all 3 digits same number and 2 digits same numbers. So hope you understand this point. Okay. So the next, what I told you, first point is number of permutations of n different objects taken r at time when repetition of objects is allowed. Okay, this is n to the power of r. All right. So here second point, what I told, number of permutations of n different things taken r at time if at least one object is repeated. Okay, here repetition must be there. At least one object must repeat. Repetition is compulsory there. How many are those? Total permutations into the power of r minus no repetition. If you subtract no repetition, then you get permutations with repetition. Compulsory repetition you get. Okay, hope you understand this point. Right? This is total number of permutations into the power of r. That means in which permutations with repetition is there, permutation with not repetition, total there. Out of which permutations with no repetition of objects, if you subtract, then you get at least one object is repeated. So that's for that I gave example. That's second point. So now third point, you see. So let's say here you have R. Let's take this one. Okay, 10 different objects we have. 10 different objects we have, or 10 different numbers we have. 10 different objects we have. Okay. Now number of permutations of this 10 objects, okay, taken at least 3 at a time. At least 3 at a time. Okay, number of permutations of 10 different objects taken at least 3 at a time. At least 3 at a time means what? 3 or more at a time. So number of permutations with 3 objects, 3 or more objects you have to take at a time. So number of permutations with the 3 objects is how much? So 10 into 10 into 10. Understand this. So 10 cube. At least 3 means what? 3 or more. 10 cube. Number of permutations with the 4 objects. 10 power 4. Number of permutations with 5 objects total. Number of permutations with all 10 objects. So number of permutations with the 10 different objects taken at least 3 at a time. At least 3 at a time means what? You can take 3 or more. So 10 at a time. 10 at a time. And then next, understand next. You can take number of permutation with 11 objects also you can take. Why 11 objects? Because you can take one object any number of times. I don't know whether you're getting this point or not. 10 to the power of 11 plus 10 to the power of 2 plus 1. Like this you get. Okay, but what we shall do is, okay, this
Not understood, sir.
understood, not understood.
The 10 cube plus a 10 power 4.
Yeah,
I'll
I'll tell you. Yeah. Okay, now let's. Okay, now what I do is, okay, now let's take this fourth point. Or, okay, let's take 5. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 digits. 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want is number of numbers with the number of numbers with number of numbers in which at most 7 digits. Question, please understand, number of numbers in which at most 7 digits. Ante at most 7 ante 7 gaani antakante takku digits unnatundi numbers any form aithe. Number of numbers that can be formed with this 5 digits. Number of numbers that can be formed with this 5 digits. Okay, ఈ 5 digits తో in which at most 7 digits are present. అంటే ఈ numbers లో మనకి ఎన్ని digits ఉండాలి? 7 digit number. అంటే at most 7 digit ఉండాలి. అంటే ఏంది? 1 digit numbers how many you will get? 5. Understand? 2 digit numbers, see number of numbers in which at most 7 digits present. Okay, at most 7 digits ఉండేటటువంటి నెంబర్స్ ఎన్ని ఫామ్ అవుతాయి? at most 7 అంటే ఏంది? మాక్సిమం 7 digits ఉండాలి. అంటే ఏంది? 7 గాని 6 గాని 5 4 3 2 1. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంది అంటే 7 digits ఉన్న నెంబర్ ఎట్లా ఫామ్ అయితే అనుకోకండి. ఓకే, హియర్ 1 digit numbers 5 will get, 2 digit numbers 5 square, 3 digit numbers how many you get? 5 cube, 4 digit numbers how many you get? 5 power 4, 5 digit numbers how many you get? 5 power 5, 6 digit numbers how many you get? 5 power 6. Okay, you understand? That means what? You don't get surprised. A 6 digit number also will form, because 1 digit you can take any number of 5 ways. Second digit you can take 5 ways. Third place 5 ways, 5 ways, 5 ways, 5 can. So that is 5 power 6 ways you can fill. 7 digit numbers how many you get? 7 digit numbers are 5 power 7. So total numbers. Okay, total numbers that can be formed with is 5 digits. Okay, if number has at least 7, number has at most 7 digits. Okay, now number loss at most 7 digits ఉండాలి. అంటే maximum 7 digits ఉండాలి. So that means total numbers is 5 into 5 square into 5 cube plus 1 up to 5 power 7. This is GP. A into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. It is like this. 5 into ఇదాన్ని మనం చేస్తే 5 power 7 minus 1. 5 power 7 minus 1. 5 power 7 minus 1 మనం చేస్తే చేయొచ్చు. That is not a difficult. 625 into 125 వస్తుంది. లేకుంటే ఇదైనా సరే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి రాసుకోవచ్చు. Hope you got it. Okay, so here, but what I told here, the previous one, now you can understand this one. 10 different objects are there, number of permutations of 10 different objects taken, at least 3 at a time. At least 3 at a time అంటే the minimum 3 తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమైందంటే minimum 3 తీసుకోవాలి అంటే 3 or more. Okay, number of permutations 3 or more. 3 తీసుకుంటే ఇంత వస్తుంది, 4 తీసుకుంటే ఇంత వస్తాయి. సో 10 కి 10 తీసుకుంటే ఇంత వస్తాయి, 11 తీసుకున్నా వస్తాయి, 12 తీసుకున్నా వస్తాయి. సో it will go on like that. So infinite GP అవుతుంది. Okay, that's why I left this one. Okay, వదిలేయండి. All right. అంటే ఇది so number of 10 different objects, number of okay, here you can take number of permutations of 10 different objects taken at least 3 at a time, and you have to mention and sorry, something is wrong. And just a minute. At least 3 at a time, and at most we can take 12 at a time. At most 12 at a time. So that means what? Number of permutations with 10 different objects taken at least 3 at a time, at most 12 at a time. And then please understand this. So here 10 to the power of, so of course you can calculate, it's not a difficult thing. So a into, okay, r to the power of n. R means how many? Okay, you understand, r to the power of n means r to the power of this is 8. Minus 1 by r minus 1. This is number of permutations of 10 different objects taken at least 3 at a time, but at most 12 at a time. So that is this, like this. So this is another point, you understand. Okay, the next 5 is palindrome numbers. Palindrome numbers. What is this palindrome number? Kitiki. Kitiki in Telugu is kitiki. Ki like this. So Vikata Kavi like that. So that means what? Here the numbers from the beginning and ending are same. Okay. So here, so palindrome numbers means what? 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is called 7-digit palindrome number. So next 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. So here this is not a palindrome number. Yes, this is not palindrome number. If I put here 3, it is palindrome number. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. So that means first digit from the beginning, last same. Second digit from the beginning, last same. Third digit from the beginning, and third digit from the last is same. This is called palindrome numbers. So here when repetition is allowed, palindrome numbers we get. So now here let's take an example. So here, what's the example? Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Okay, now these are the given 6 digits. Now what I want, let's say I want number 1, 7-digit palindrome numbers. 7-digit palindrome numbers. 7-digit palindrome numbers. So how many number of 7-digit palindrome numbers are there? Please understand this point. So this is, so now that means here whatever number comes here, that same number will come here. So let's say how many digits we have? 7 digits. 7 ways you can arrange. How many ways you can arrange this one? This is only one way. Why? This you don't have a choice. Please understand this one point. Here that means what? Here these two blanks together we can arrange in 7 ways. Means what? What are the ways we can arrange here? This one if you arrange 1, this one also should arrange 1. This one if you arrange 2, this also should arrange 2. This is 3, this is also 3. This is 4, this is also 4. Okay, this is 5 ways if you arrange. This is also 5 ways you should arrange. That's it. 5 if you arrange, here also 5. If you arrange 6, here also 6. If you arrange here 7, here also 7. That means what? First blank and second blank together. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇలాంటి చాయిస్ లేదన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు ఏదైనా అరేంజ్ చేస్తే అది ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ 1 అరేంజ్ చేస్తే 1 అరేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. 2 అరేంజ్ చేస్తే 2 అరేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. That means what? You need not arrange this blank. Okay, this blank automatically the same number comes here. Therefore, how many ways you can arrange this first blank? This first blank can arrange in 7 ways. Okay. Or we can say another way. ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు ఇంకో రకంగా అంటే ఈ ఫస్ట్ బ్లాంక్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఫస్ట్ బ్లాంక్ ఈ రెండు కలిపి హౌ మెనీ వేస్ యూ కెన్ అరేంజ్ ఇన్ 7 వేస్ అంటే 1 1 కానీ 2 2 3 3 4 4 7 వేస్ అరేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు ఫస్ట్ బ్లాంక్ లాస్ట్ బ్లాంక్. Hope you got it. Similarly, second blank and second last blank. How many ways you can arrange? Again 7 ways. And third blank how many ways you can arrange? 7 ways. అంటే ఈ 3 మీరు ఏం అరేంజ్ చేయొద్దు. ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్ చేస్తాం అదే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి this 3 has no option. అంటే ఇది 1 way. So తర్వాత ఈ this blank how many ways you can arrange? You can arrange 7 ways. That is what? Here 7-digit numbers understand with this. Oh my god, how many digits we have? 6 only, na? Okay, all right. People are not catching this point. Yeah, all right. So here 6 digits only we have. 6 digits here, 6 digits, 6 digits. That means what? 6 to the power of 4. Hope you got it. So yeah, that means what I'm saying is here this digit if you arrange, this a trick is here. This digit if you arrange in 6 ways, this also you arrange in 6 ways. That means 6 into 6, not 36. Only 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. That means this blank together you can arrange in 6 ways. That is this I wrote here. 1, 1 you should arrange. You cannot arrange 1, 2. 1, 1 you should arrange, or 1, 2, 2 you should arrange, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. That is 6 ways you can arrange. Similarly, this blank also you can arrange together. How many ways you can arrange? Only 6 ways you can arrange. This blank, how many ways you can arrange? 6 ways. This blank you can arrange in 6 ways. That's the middle one. 7 is there. Odd number. Second question. Number of, okay, 6 digits are there. So 8 digit, number of 8 digit palindrome numbers. Palindrome numbers. Number of 8 digit palindrome numbers. How many 8 digit palindrome numbers will be there? So please understand, these 4 only you should arrange. You need not arrange these 4 blanks. Automatically that will be arranged. Because this you can arrange in 6 ways, this also you can arrange in 6 ways, this also you can arrange in 6 ways, this also you can arrange in 6 ways. How many ways you can arrange this one? Only one way. This 6 ways arrange చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే వస్తుందో అదే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. You need not arrange this one. That is what 6 to the power of 4. Understand this point. Okay, so now formula will be given. That formula is not required. Note what is that? Number of, yeah, when 0 is there, it is different. When 0 is there, it is different. Okay, now let's take another example. Yeah, okay. Number of palindrome numbers. Number of palindrome numbers. Okay, so here hope you are seeing. So here number of palindrome numbers, okay, with let's say you have n digits. Number of odd digit, number of palindrome numbers with n digits with 0 not included. Okay, here two cases. Number of palindrome numbers with n digits with 0 not included. See, here in this 0 is not included. When 0 is included, it's different. So number of palindrome numbers with the n digits with 0 not included. Here question 1 is odd digit palindrome numbers. Odd digit palindrome numbers with n digits when 0 is not included. Odd digit palindrome numbers, how many will be there? So here I told you, odd digit palindrome numbers, how many will be there here? N digits, na? N to the power of here. How many here? 7 digit number. So therefore here odd digit number, odd digit palindrome numbers. Okay, odd digit palindrome numbers or palindrome odd digit, na? Odd digited, let's say odd digits, having odd digit palindrome numbers in which odd digits are 6 r digits are there. Here r digits are there. R digits are there means what you should do? R plus 1 by 2. So here like this, n digit palindrome numbers. Now n digits means 7 digit palindrome number means 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2, that is 4. Similarly, r digits palindrome number is r plus 1 by 2. Okay, if r is odd. Okay, second, r digit I am writing here, r digit palindrome numbers, again palindrome numbers. Okay, when r is even, simply if r is even, n to the power of r by 2. Okay, here 0 is not included. Now when 0 is included, what happens? Okay, just a minute. You see here r to the power of n by 2. But when 0 is included, what happens? Now let's take 0 also. So all digits, let's take all digits, 0, 1, 2, all the digits you have, all 10 digits you have. So here question 1. here let's take 5-digit palindrome numbers. 5-digit palindrome numbers. How many 5-digit palindrome numbers will be there? So 5-digit palindrome numbers means 5 digits you create. Now how many ways you can arrange here? This is 9 ways. This is 9 ways. This 0 you cannot arrange here. 0. Here also 0 cannot be arranged. Okay, that is 9 ways. Second blank, 10 ways. Third blank, 10 ways. This blank, 10 ways. This is 10 ways. So that means, yeah, this is, hope you got it. Okay, all right. So the next, 6-digit palindrome numbers. How many 6-digit palindrome numbers? 9 into 10 into 10. This is only, this is, okay, these 3 digits should arrange. This is 9 ways, this is 10 ways, this is 10 ways. That's all. That is true actually. So now let's say 8-digit palindrome numbers. 8-digit palindrome numbers, how many you get? 9 into 10 to the power of 3. So now let's say you have to form 12-digit palindrome numbers. 12-digit palindrome numbers. 9 into 10 to the power of 5. 6 digits you should arrange. First 6 digits. Next 6 digits will be automatically same numbers will come there. Okay, this is about palindrome numbers. Hope you got this one. Okay, we have less than 1 minute. Just you can go through it.